Holy shit. Oh my god. Just look at all of that. Look at all of that. I feel like a fucking pioneer out here. Holy shit. Look at that. Fucking, you can see Springfield from here. Holy shit. And this is only 900 feet up. Fucking Christ.